So today we gather, not just to plant, but to honor a vision vast and grand. A vision carried by a man whose footsteps stitched across the motherland, from coast to coast, from boardrooms to global post.
Professor, this is a short but significant tribute to your vision, your leadership, and your legacy. And they say those who plant trees knowing that they will never sit in its shade or reap its fruits are reflective of true leadership.
As already expressed, today's tree planting goes beyond ceremony. It is a living tribute to a statesman whose bold vision, Global Africa, owning our destiny for prosperity, has redefined the possibilities of unity, trade, and cultural reconnection. President Oramah's legacy as a visionary, a unifier, and an architect of economic transformation will echo through generations, not only through programs and initiatives, but more importantly, through the countless lives he has touched across continents. Your leadership continues to uplift, to connect, and to inspire global Africa.
I will not start by saying that it is an honor. I will start by saying what a surprise. And today, as I joined the Honorable Prime Minister in planting this tree, I am reminded that I have now found a very deep anchor in Grenada and the Camerhogne. Africa is the cradle of civilization. Africa gave the world life. So to use this tree planting to honor me means that you value the work we are doing to give life to our people. And I thank you again, and we hope that with successive efforts based on the foundations we've laid, our people will once again be great, be respected, and have their dignities restored.